So today we are going to talk about this scalping strategy that can work on any pair of your choice that you are trading. And I always call it the golden zones, right? The golden zones, the order block zones, right? So now we shall be trading those ones, okay? So you can see that now we are following the trend, okay? You know, we shall always trade these golden zones when we are in the trend, when we are either in the bullish trend or when we are either in the bearish trend, guys. So now you can see that order block, the market did rest to that order block, and you can see the buy move, right? So now here, what we shall be looking at is the break of market structure, retracement, then to the golden zone, which is an order block zone. You can see that there was a break of market structure right here, okay? So it broke structure right there. You can see that is the high, okay? Then this is the retracement, of course. Now you can see the retracement it made to our golden zone on our 5-minute time frame. So you can use this as your golden candle, right? So now when it comes to your order block, so on your order block we shall be needing the momentum candle. We shall be needing it to form the momentum candle. You can see here that this one, it created this bullish candle, created a bullish engulfing candle, right? And it was the main candle that we actually used to enter that market, guys, right? So now let me show you another one. You can see that this was also a bullish market, guys, right? So now here, the market, it broke structure from right here. This was a retracement to our golden zone, which is an order block zone right here, guys, okay? So now you can see that when the market came to this order block, now we were considering the bullish momentum candles. Remember, this was an order block. When it came here, it rejected it with these candles, these bullish candles. It created doji candles here, right here, okay, on our zone. Now it was a very good move right there, guys. Always we enter from there, and the stop loss we always put it just below our order block. Then the TP, it is always to a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 trade, guys. So if you're trading order block, guys, let me know in the comment section, and if not, consider subscribing to this GMFX channel so that you learn more about them and other strategies. Bye.